Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm showing colored pencils on Kraft cardstock. This card is made simple and monochromatic with similar colors throughout and minimal coloring. And so this is very easy to do if you have colored pencils. I would say use what you have. I happen to have Prismacolor color pencils with a variety of colors. There's all kinds of different sets you can get. Single, like 12-piece sets, all the way up to 64-piece sets. So don't worry so much about it, just especially with monochromatic colors. You can just pick a few different similar colors and just add some shading to get color. And that's what I'm doing here. I went ahead and right onto the Kraft cardstock stamped the cute cat and the sentiment. And those two are from the same set, the stamp set, Kitty Boop. And I use the Otterly Devoted for the hearts, and I use the Snoot stamp set for the paw prints. So just I had those stamps around, and that's what I used and combined them all to make this card. So I made a little fingerprint in the top left there that it just came from my finger. So I am going to cover that up later on. I was going to add a topper for this card, and I looked around to see if I had something, and I looked in my scrap pieces of papers that I just didn't want to throw away, and we all have those, and I found this really sweet doily. That doily is from a freebie. It's one of the freebies that comes in your Unity Stamp Company orders, and it's a paper doily. It's just perfect. It had the same coloring, so I used it. So you can see for this coloring, you just layer multiple layers of the similar colors. Now all I used was a medium brown, a gold color, and I used a gray, two shades of gray. One is more taupe and the other's gray. And then the highlights were made with the white pencil. I love the white pencil. That's how you get things to look more dimensional, and you get pops of color with it. Also, you can do that with lighter shades of color pencils like yellows and uh, light pinks. The light on Kraft turns out brighter. It's different than coloring on white. And so for this, I'm just using the white, and wanted it to be very simple. So I'm adding some different highlights for the ears and the face, and then his belly and his tail, the tip of the tail, just a little extra there. And I love this sentiment. It's so funny. I think it's true. But anyway, yeah, I had to use this sentiment. I think that's my favorite part of the card. And so you just go and feel free to go over the colors with other colors to sort of blend it. So you don't have to have the exact color of the color pencil. You can blend the colors to get different shading or different hues. And so that's what I'm doing here. And I decided to go ahead and give it a grounding area and some shadow there with, again, I use a mix of different pencils for that. And then I use some white towards the bottom also. And then I gave him a shadow. So I put the shadow sort of towards the middle, and then white on the edges. And play around with it. You'll be surprised how easy it is and fun to do. If you're using white cardstock, you can use a Gamsol fluid with blending stumps to move out the color. But for the Kraft cardstock, it doesn't work as easily or smoothly, so I didn't use that blending on the Kraft. I just used multiple layers of the color. Now for this topper, that's the one I got for free, inside my stamp order, and I love it. And I added just a little bit of tan cording to the top. And then I used double-sided flat tape. I have um, Scotch tape glider, but you can use any flat double-sided tape. I'm starting to use flat instead of foam tape lately, but you can use foam tape if you want to. And that's the card. Very easy to do. I hope you like the color pencils and give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.